Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain how you can send a campaign to a specific audience in Klaviyo. So let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account. On the left-hand menu, click Campaigns. Then click Create Campaign. For this example, choose Email Campaign. Give your campaign a simple, clear name. This will help you keep things organized when you create more campaigns in the future. Next, click Add Recipients. Here you can choose a list or a segment of people you want to send the email to. Selecting the right audience is important so your message reaches only those who are interested. Now, click Create Content and choose Use Email Template. You can select a ready-made template or start from scratch. Add your brand logo, brand colors, images, and a headline that stands out. Also, make sure to include a clear call to action, for example, a button that takes them to your website or product page. Once your email looks ready, set your subject line so it's engaging and relevant. Choose a recognizable sender name and email address, and add a short preview text that will show in their inbox before they open the email. Finally, use the preview option to check how the email looks on both mobile and desktop. When you're happy, you can send it immediately by clicking Send Now, or schedule it for a specific date and time. And that's it, you've successfully created and sent a targeted campaign in Klaviyo.